Alright, so start working on the steering box, get this off. This line here is already loose. This one I don't have the proper wrench for, but this will work just fine. Man, they're loose, but it doesn't want to come out. So pull it up a little bit. Tell you what we'll do. Take this one out first. That thing is full of oil. Alright, so that's one of them. Put that down. Put that in there for a minute, and I think we'll do the same with this one. I have to bend it a little bit, but I'm not too worried about it because I am getting new ones. It's not a big deal. It's bending the crap out of it, huh? Well, probably not the best way to do it, but they're off. Just about. Okay, so let's put that one right here. Like I said, I'm gonna get new ones anyway, so don't matter. So now we got a lot of oil in there. But that's right, let me get it cleaned up a little bit and we'll take it off and go from there. So I got some brake cleaner. That stuff works pretty good. Now let me put some rags on the floor just so we don't get it dirty. Put some rags down quick. Try to keep it a little bit cleaner. Yeah, this brush is absolutely shot. That's the only one I have for now. I left everything else home, unfortunately. You know what, I'm going to take the sticker off here too, just in case there's a problem down the road. I might be able to, well, you really can't read it, but I'll save it anyway. So I'll get it cleaned up the best I can, and probably finish it up on when I have more free time, and I'll really get it nice and clean. It's really not that oily. It's more rusty than oil, believe it or not. There's some grease on here, but for the most part, it's just rust, really. But there's some, there's some heavy stuff here, which is all right. So we'll just keep going what we're doing here. Some more rags here. So the whole project's getting there. It's definitely a time-consuming project, you know. But I'm giving myself like a year to finish it. I hope I finish it in a year. And if I don't, I don't. But I'm not gonna be in a hurry to get it done either, you know. So that's just what we're gonna do for now. Do the best we can. And I gotta take this pitman arm off too, because the lift kit came with a new one, so we have to put a new one on anyway. So that's all right. Stuff works good, but boy, it does smell. Alright, so that's that. Let me get another rag and wipe it off. I'm not sure where you guys live, but here in Connecticut, I think it's really end of July, and when I left my house to come here, it was 93 degrees. Definitely a hot one today. But next week's supposed to be nice in the higher 70s or so. So that'll be nicer. But this came out pretty good. So let me do a little more cleaning. And we'll just take this thing off and we'll flip it over, let that oil drain out, and we'll be all right. Not ready for paint at all, but it is definitely cleaner than it was. As soon as I get this off, I'm gonna bring it next door, and I really don't want to sandblast it. Yeah, I don't want to sandblast it. I'll try to clean it up the best I can with just a grinder or something, or a wire wheel, and I think that'll be all right. So let me get the tools to take it off. All right, so this is I loosened these up a while back, and they're coming right out anyway, so that's good. There's three long bolts to hold this thing in, and they're 18mm bolts. So take that one out. Yeah, look how long they are. So I'll probably end up sandblasting these and repainting the heads on those. Why not, right? Maybe I didn't loosen that one up, I guess. What's that?
You need my key to get back in the shop.
No.
You don't need my front move there or no?
No, you're not in the way at all, no. Nope.
I know, I'll lock it.
Yeah, I might as well. Not gonna be in my way. Huh?
Got some pretty big size screws on it.
All the time I pick them up, I don't know where they come from. Yeah. Alright, keep on trucking here. Alright, that one there, the third one. Third one is loose. Let's keep it like that for a minute. Let's get that bolt out. Another one, same size. I'm gonna leave the pitman arm on for now. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. I think I'm gonna sandblast it now that I think about it. I'm just gonna plug these two ports here, and I'll throw them in a little sandblaster cabinet, and I'll sandblast that too, and that should come out pretty good. And then when I'm ready to put the pitman arm back on, I'll do that when I get in the new frame, so we should be fine. Alright, here it goes. Hope I don't drop it. Alright, bolt number 3. Alright, let that drain out a little bit. And I think we'll be alright. Yeah, definitely a little bit rusty, so I think a good sandblast and prime and paint will do a lot of good. We got another sticker back here too. This one here is pretty legible. It just has a barcode on it, but that might be for something, so we'll keep that too. Alright, so that's good. Let me get this thing cleaned up and we'll go from there. Alright guys, hey, welcome back. Finally got my steering box all sandblasted and repainted. See here, looks pretty darn good. So now I'm going to put this onto the frame over here, and hopefully we can button up this frame fairly soon. You know, get that steering box on it. I get the I got to take the pitman arm off it that's on it now, and then replace it with the other one for the lift kit. So if I can get that done next day or whatever, I can get my whole frame buttoned back up, get my track bar back on. I think we're good for the front end. I can start working on the back. So hang on 1 second. All right. I think it's not too light. It's actually got some weight to it. But that's all right. We'll get that in real quick. And there is two different kind of bolts with this. Two of these are a little bit longer, and there's one here a little bit shorter, and it's got a different look to the bottom. It's like put a wrench on it or something. So there is two different kinds of bolts. So let's make sure you don't mix them up if you put yours on. That's good for that one. Then the other longer one goes off to the right here. You see, there's two in a row, and they're the same size. So. And the last short one, the only one spot for it to go, so that goes in there. Yeah, this looks really nice. This. Man, it looks matches the frame. It looks nice. It doesn't look like it's an old steering box. It was really rusty when I had it on the truck, but it looks pretty good now. So I'm just gonna snug these up for now. I gotta get the torque specs on all my stuff here. I gotta start torquing down a lot of stuff. So, but for now, I'm just gonna get them mounted, and I believe this pitman arm has to come off, but I left my puller home, so I'll have to come back and do that later. We'll pull that pitman arm off and put the other one on. But that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy the way it's coming out. And I took a pretty long break from it for a while. I'm finally back at it. I had a lot of firewood to split for the season, so I've been out cutting firewood for a few weeks and haven't done anything to this. Today's the day. Just want to get the front end all done. Put the tires and rims back on it just to get it where it should be, and get that rear end out of the other one. But big improvement already. So I'll just sock these down pretty good, and then I'll find out the torque specs on it and we'll torque it all down. But yeah, that looks pretty nice. Pretty nice, yep. Alright, next step, hold on. Alright guys, well, I'm just about done with the front end here. Got the sway bar in it. See right there. The only problem at the sway bar, you know, I don't know if you saw my other video, I had blue bushings. But I guess I bought the wrong kind. They didn't fit, so I had to get these black ones. And they're from this place right here, Delphil or something like that. That's what they are anyway. That's the part number for them. But they fit on real nice. It looks pretty good. Let's see what else I got here. I got the tie rods on here. Those are all set. And a couple more odds and ends to go through yet. I still gotta pull off this pitman arm here. I just didn't have a chance to do it today, so I'll do that during the week. It's actually Labor Day weekend, so I got a few things to do. Then I can get the steering mounted up. It's just hanging on a hook right now. The only other trouble I'm having is the track bar. If you notice, there's no track bar in here yet. I can't get it to mount up to that hole over here. This hole right there. It's just about a ½ inch or less off, and I tried everything to pull the frame over and all that, but what I did, I ordered an adjustable track bar for it. I should have that in a couple days. I can put that in, and as soon as I get it all done, I can bring it down to the garage, and they can do their magic with it and line it up right, because that's not for me. So I'll let the garage take care of that. But It's looking pretty good. Looking really good. I'm really happy what the progress is so far. Yeah, and, all I have to do is get that pitman arm put on, and then I can drop the rear end in the other frame out there and get that blasted and put in here. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for the new subscribers on the channel. Really appreciate it. Hopefully I'm helping someone else out if they're doing the same thing, because I look on YouTube too, and wasn't much out there. Jason, the municipal mechanic, is a really good one. If you haven't seen his channel yet, he did his Dodge, and he did the same thing I'm doing. He did a phenomenal job at it. I mean, very impressed with what he did. So if you get a chance, check him out. He's really good. That's it for today, guys. Thank you again. I'll see you next time.